Coming to CMA. CMA US specifically has really picked up in India, and again the big four kind of companies are the ones who hire CMA, and not just them. A lot of companies from US, a lot of other multinationals are all starting to hire CMAs because of the value a CMA can bring with respect to understanding numbers from a business perspective, and they're all being paid between 5 to 8 lakhs depending on which kind of company. So before we get into this, if this is the first time you've come to the channel, then please do subscribe, and if you've already been viewing the channel, watching us, supporting us, and thank you so much, please do leave a like or comment so that others like you can reach out to us. So even other companies, which are not hardcore accounting companies or auditing companies or even finance companies are hiring CMAs, and all of them are getting paid almost equal to that of chartered accountants in India. So this is ACCA, CFA and CMA in India. All these qualifications have scope overseas. The problem with not being able to exactly give a number with what will you be paid in each country is because, of course, number one, each country has different ranges. B, it all depends on your, as a student, how many years of experience you have, what is the background, what have you worked in the past, is it your first job overseas, etc. So guys, I hope that gives you all a perspective into the different kind of salary packages that ACCA, CFAs and CMAs earn in India. If there's any other specific video you all would like us to make, please reach out to us and we'll be sure to make a video on that as well.